morning, guys. I am freezing my butt off in Sydney, if you can't tell by this massive blanket, my fuzzy jumper. In a recent video, I made a green smoothie and a few people are asking for the recipe. I make this all the time, so I'm just gonna show you how I make it / the recipe today. So this is what I put in it. Spinach, pineapple, mango, 1 banana. I am using coconut water today, but sometimes I'll use soy milk, chia seeds, maca powder, and I recently just got this spirulina, which I'm really excited to use because spirulina is super healthy and a really good source of protein. It's a bit weird that it's freezing and I'm drinking a cold smoothie, but for some reason I've been really craving smoothies lately. I'm gonna drink my smoothie and I'm gonna get ready to go. My hands are like numb. Probably drinking that smoothie didn't help with the cold. Literally going to wear like a winter jacket on top of this. Ooh. So good. This is the whitest I've ever looked in my life. Oh, my heart hurts so good. I love you, baby. So I just went to the grocery store. I'm really excited to make this lentil loaf, and I'm actually going to make this for dinner. Yum. If you guys want the recipe to this, I'll have it linked in the description bar down below. This smells so good. One of the best things about vegan food is that you can always taste the batter and you don't have to worry about getting like salmonella or anything. So this batter is really good. I'm gonna make a little glaze to go on top of it. Here's the lentil loaf all ready to be cooked in its little loaf tin. And here is the little glaze that I'm gonna put on top of 3 tablespoons ketchup, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, and 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Ready to go? Bake that for about 50 minutes. I am just going to have a tea. I just wanted to quickly mention that if you drink tea, especially if you drink it very often, it's really important to buy organic tea because the tea leaves are not washed before they're put into tea bags. So when you get conventional teas that are not organic, you are buying tea leaves that have been sprayed with pesticides and then just put into a tea bag, and so you're just drinking this tea that's just full of pesticides. Always buy organic tea. Let's check on this meatloaf. Ooh, it looks good. It's like 2 o'clock now and all I've had today is that green smoothie. I'm hungry again, so I'm gonna make some food. I have some sauerkraut, tomatoes, beets, and cucumber, so I don't really feel like eating beets today. Let's see what we can make. Just want to make sure I'm getting something warm. Okay, now I have 1 hot bowl of rice and curry. I like how it looks so healthy at the top because you can't see any of this stuff on the bottom. It's all like rice and curry on the bottom. That lunch was really good. Filling. The meatloaf is ready. Let's pull it out. Ooh, it looks good. Oh. Ooh, it's a little bit burnt and it smells so good. I'm still a little bit peckish. The power just went out. If the power wasn't out right now, I feel like this is a bit crooked. I don't know, can't fix it. If the power wasn't out right now, I would really like to make a turmeric latte because that actually sounds amazing. So it's like warm and comforting, but the power is out and I can't make anything hot. So Cliff Bar it is. Pretty good. Chocolatiness is like really hitting the spot. All right, it is 4:30 p.m. It's like dark outside already, but Michael actually came home early because it was so rainy. Even though I ate that whole Cliff Bar, I really want a turmeric latte. My little teacup and make a turmeric latte. Puppies! What are you gonna put in a turmeric latte, Gil? So I usually use soy milk because soy milk is my favorite plant-based milk, but my naturopath suggested that I give up gluten, soy, and peanuts for 2 weeks as an experiment with my skin. If you guys are interested in the whole naturopath thing that I'm doing, if you're interested in that, I'm making another video on it. I don't know if it's gonna go up before or after this one, but if it isn't up yet, it'll be the next video up, and if it is up, I'll link it up here. Turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, sea salt, and vanilla extract. Sugar. I use maple syrup to sweeten everything. I don't really use regular sugar or coconut sugar or brown sugar or powdered sugar or any other kind of sugar. I just use maple syrup. Glug, glug, glug.
Mom! Meatloaf! What the hell have you done to this? Meatloaf!
The meatloaf.
What is she doing? I don't know what she's doing back here. Mom! Meatloaf!
How is the meatloaf?
Really good.
You like it?
Yeah, but
Let's get a close-up of it. Wow, that looks really good. Let me try it. Oh. Okay. So I'm just gonna have my turmeric latte right now. I just sent out my book club email for June. If you wanna join the book club, the link is in the description of all of my videos.
why did they do that?
Do you like to do that?
Yeah, I think that's funny.
Okay.
Follow the link.
I just found out that my credit card got hacked. At the end of the day, it's not really that big of a deal because I have backup cards. Like getting hacked, someone somehow got my card numbers and bought $200 worth of stuff at Nordstrom's, and luckily Chase picked it up as a fraud alert immediately, cancel the card, get a new one, no big deal. I'm not gonna have to pay that $200 or anything.
Getting hacked. That's what people do. They just hack now. I'm actually hacking someone as we speak.
You kind of look like a hacker. Why do you keep doing that? Michael's folding some laundry over here, which is why our room's a mess right now, but I just want to show you guys my yoga outfit because I'm in love with it. So I'm gonna do a full-on activewear haul soon. Activewear, activewear. So I do Bikram Yoga. Bikram Yoga is hot yoga. For those of you who don't know, it's like in a room that's heated to 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 38 degrees Celsius, so it's very hot. I got this Nike shirt secondhand. It's moisture wicking instead of cotton. Okay, there's my nips. Should cut that part out. It doesn't soak up moisture, it wicks it away, so it's not like really uncomfortable when you're sweating. I recently got these pants, which I am obsessed with, from a company called Dharma Bums, and I got the high-waisted one. Let's just go to yoga. Are you ready for Bikram?
See, this is my yoga outfit because I want to sweat.
Oh my god. I just got back from yoga and it was so hot. I am drinking some of this coconut water. I'm gonna eat this little slab of meatloaf with some salad greens and some sauerkraut. And I might go for a cheeky little chocolate. Michael and I just took off like a piece of that chocolate and I'm just gonna eat these 2 squares. How do you feel?
I'm dying.
Yeah, yoga class is hard. We're matching right now. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. It really supports my channel, and don't forget to subscribe down below. Turn on the bell for notifications if you want to get notified every time I upload a new video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Activewear.